guys, I'm gonna be going to pick up a new truck here. So I don't even know I don't know what it looks like. I don't know anything about it. So I'm hoping it's a pretty nice truck. I don't think it is because I only paid $5 grand for it. So I hope it's not too bad, but if it's bad, it is what it is. I mean, I can't really change it, so yeah. I'm just gonna go hook up to the trailer towing over here by the barn. Just gotta get her lined up here. Good, put her in reverse there. Alright, so I got the trailer hooked up here, so I'm just gonna hit the road. So he didn't give me directions, so I kind of just have to drive around and try to find it. I'm glad this truck pulls this trailer pretty good. So, yeah. Right off the road. Bet you know that's aight. Now I'm gonna just head on over here. Wait, is that it? Is that it? No, there's no way it's that. No. I don't know. I gotta go up to it real quick and check the old license plate number and see if it's it. Wait, hold on. Did I just buy this? No, I did not just buy this, right? Wait, hold on. No way. Oh, what the heck is this thing? Definitely needs some work to it. Say it needs work. Due to the front bumper here. Definitely needs to be leveled out, but I don't know, I'm just gonna take her for a little ride here and check it out. Okay. Riding on the wrong side of the road here. Oh, okay, good enough cars coming. Oh no, I'm just not even gonna worry about that because it does not need off hurting. With what truck it is, so I'm just gonna take her for a ride here. Alright. So, I mean, I already bought it. So I guess I'm just load it up on the trailer and hopefully I can get it on. Just kind of forgot my ramps at the house. And this truck is trash. Okay. Come on, buddy. Okay, there we go, there we go. Okay, I got her on the trailer now. Just gonna try to get this thing unattached to it real quick. Now I got her attached. So I'm about to head over and see if I can get it going good. Everything. Sorry about the message. Yeah, so here's the truck. It's okay. Why does it make my truck squat so much? That's not right. But here's the truck. It's a squatted second gen. Yeah, it's a squatted second gen here, so it's definitely rusty. It's been sitting for a while. It's got a weird headlight light bar on it, so yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna take her home and I guess just try to do something with it, 'cause I can't. I mean, I'm not gonna try to sell it looking like this, so knew I was in for a treat with a freaking $5,000 truck. So yeah, hope y'all liked the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.